Hi, my name is Andrea Schultz, and I'm with Schultz's Tutoring and Playgroups. Today what I'm going to talk about is how to use base 10 blocks with 4-digit subtraction and borrowing. Our first number is 6,543, take away 1,238. I'm going to go to my large tiles and find the numbers that I need. I've already picked out the number 6,543. Once I have my large tiles, I then go to the bank where I have my base 10 blocks set up and get all of my base 10 blocks that I need. So we will do that right now. I now have all of my base 10 blocks that I need, and I'm going to lay them on my mat. The first one that I'll lay down is I'm going to do the 6,000. When I lay out my numbers, I like to work from left to right because that's how we read a number. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is my 6,000. I'm going to lay my 6,000 on top. The next number that I'll be laying out is 500. So I'll count out 5 100 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we lay the 500 down. The next are my tens bars, and it says we need 4 tens bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll lay those down, and then we need 3 units. 1, 2, 3. My next number that I'm going to need will be 1,238. So then I'm going to come here and find 1,000, and I'll lay that right there. 200. Looks like I'll have to take these out. There's my 200, 30, and then 8. There's my 8. Now I have a problem. I notice I only have 3 blocks here. And I have the number 8. I cannot take 8 blocks from 3. So what do I need to do? I need to go next door and take a 10. A tens bar away and go to the bank and get 10 units. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll leave my tens bar over there out of the way. And here are my units. Well, if I'm taking a tens bar away, what will that become? Instead of 40, we're going to have how many? 30. So I'm actually going to put a little line through my 40 so I know that I've taken some away and go and find a 30. This way I know that I have 30 there instead. And you can still see my tens bars right there. And we're going to add those other 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Some children won't need a visual, but others will. And with that visual, what I'm going to do is add a 1 here, so we know that this instead will be 13. Others, you don't have to have that 1. It can just be off and not even around. But sometimes you have to add it. So the next thing I'm going to do is go 13 take away 8. So let's count out 8 and put them in here, this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, there are 8. How many are left up here? Let's count them. And as we count them, we're going to move them down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I'm going to come over to my small tiles again and add a 5 there, so I'll remember how many are there. Well, here it says 30, take away 30. So we're going to take these 3 tens bars and move them down here. But I have nothing left over, so I won't put anything in here. Now we're going to our hundreds placement. And here it says 500, take away 200. So we're going to take 200 away and set them here. And how many do we have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. I then need to go, and I'll leave them like this so you can actually see it. I'll then come over here and look for the number 300. There's my 300. This now says 6,000, take away 1,000. Well, what we're going to do is put this off to the side temporarily and take away one 1,000 block. And then we're going to find out how many blocks we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like we have 5,000 left. I need to go back over and get a 5,000 tile. And we will set our 5,000 tile there. So now we can read our numbers. 6,543 take away 1,238 equals 5,305, and they're just going to go right there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you very much.